So guys, first welcome to my channel and come to this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download and driver. You can check your motherboard warranty and all. Then you can see here search button and paste your type your model number which is required, the driver B850M Eagle WIFI6E ICE, and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click on the title which is model number. Then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system which is you using. If you have Windows 10, no worry about that. You can see this video and follow the installation process almost same, almost 100% same. So chipset, AMD chipset driver, and just click to download. When you click downloading, automatically start here. You can see one download in process. Then guys, click to download. This is chipset driver and just double click. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is chipset driver installing, and then close it.